Hey guys, this is my first video on the YouTube channel and today I will show you how to install a Java in PC. First, type download Java and then click on the third link Java SE. Then JDK download. Below the Oracle JDK, click on it. Then scroll down and then you click on the WX installer, then download it. Download. Now it is getting download. It is a 162 MB, so it will take a quite moment to download. So now it's got download. Now I will open it, then click on JDK, then click on run. Then it will take a few minutes to open. So now it is getting download. So next now it will take a few minutes. I click on computer and then go to the advanced, then environmental, then click on new, type path, then go to computer, click on program files, click on Java JDK, then you should copy that link, means that up at the top you have to copy and then paste it on the variable name. Then same do with the down one, write the path, then copy, then click on OK. So now we will check whether it is running or not. Go to CMD, and type Java C. So yeah, it's working.